Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, Thirsty Thursday. Man, I am thirsty today. I've been pounding the water. I really have. Last night, I prepared Asian chicken tacos on a Tuesday night. I had to fix this recipe. I haven't said this in a long time, but I hate one-note wonders. Basically, the recipe, when you see it later, basically says just hoisin sauce. That's it. Hoisin sauce, boring. I made a little more of a complex sauce to go with the chicken. Plus, I added the kimchi, little kind of kimchi thing from the Korean beef tacos that I do to go with the carrots that they have. Yeah, very good. Robin posted last night, made a comment on one of my posts about this, that she actually, I'll get this right, she's a little sad that there was not leftovers to take to work today. It was that good. She compared these Asian tacos I did to another restaurant's Asian thingamajiggy. Yeah. So tonight, I'm going super easy. I am actually doing just a little bit of cooking. I'm doing a Caprese Pasta. That's Caprese Pasta with Basil. Or Basil. Yeah, so I'm cooking some pasta. The rest of it's cold. So this all gets put in the chill box, the cold box, yada, yada, yada. And presto. So let's get to it. The only real hardware other than a couple bowls is a Dutch oven to cook the penne pasta. We've got some fresh mozzarella balls, basil, which I'm actually going to have to go out and get some more basil because I used, So we got some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, some minced garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, Parmesan cheese to go on top, and of course you have to have tomatoes for a caprese. So, there it is. That's dinner. Pretty simple. Real simple. Yes. Tomorrow I'm actually doing some cooking. But we'll get to that tomorrow. All right. On this Thirsty Thursday, stay out of the heat. I know I have been. Oh, cookbook update. I worked, a boatload of hours yesterday. As if many of you know, I actually was up at 3 a.m. yesterday because I couldn't sleep. And I worked and worked. I had an appointment, but I worked about 9 to 10 hours on the cookbook yesterday. Got a lot done. It's coming along. We'll see how much I get done today. All right. On this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.